this is Judge Salas. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Deidre Johnson.
Okay, it looks like you had a speeding violation. You're requesting to take a driver safety course. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you able to come into the court window today to bring your license, insurance, and that $144 payment? Or did you need some additional time?
He gave me to the 24th, I believe, month from today.
Okay,
Yes.
so just on or before June the 23rd, come to the court window with those three things. We'll give you all the paperwork at that time, and you'll have 90 days to complete the course. When you finish the course, you just have to bring that certificate back to the court, okay? Along with a copy of your driving record. But again, we'll give you all that information when you come in. Do you have any questions?
Yes, you said the money, the driver, what did you say to bring in with me?
So you're gonna need your driver's license, a copy of your automobile insurance policy,
Okay.
and the payment of $144.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions?
I hope I can have I'm actually online now trying to get an appointment to get my license renewed. I pray that it be done. If any cause they're not renewed by then, what would happen?
You would need to call the court or come in and request to have another court hearing.
Okay, because hopefully I'm online and I finally was able to make an appointment.
Okay.
Hopefully I can get something before then.
What, did you make the appointment already?
Actually, that's what I was in the process of doing
Okay.
while I was waiting. So it wasn't even letting me do it before, because my birthday was May 7th, but now it's allowing me to do it. So hopefully I can get something soon.
Okay, sounds good. Luck with that. I know DPS can be a little frustrating.
Yes, so I'm grateful to be able to get on there now.
Okay,
And
well,
yes, and the way it looks like I'm going to be able to get in before then because it's giving me dates before June.
oh, good. Okay, that should take care of that. So then we'll just see you once you have that order before June 23rd, okay?
So one more question. So when I go in, is that when they'll give me the information for the defensive course after I pay and everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Hey, why wouldn't he revoke this?
You see?
Because he's entered a conviction on a new FMFR.
Yeah, so the expired registration and the expired DL, she got the same day as this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then the new FMFR, she got 3 weeks after.
Well, it looks, he checked do not revoke,
Mm-hmm.
but these are gonna be convictions, which would violate. Do you think he meant to do that?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a recommendation.
Okay, so you think that he meant to,
I think he
I
meant
got
to
it.
recommend not to revoke, but.
okay, so to let her continue on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. I mean, obviously there was no insurance. Is that gonna be able to comply with the rest of the deferred? either?
Probably not. I bet you her insurance lapsed at some point.
Well, it did, because this is until October. Let's just put it off for another day.
Mhm.
This is Judge Salas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have video?
Yes.
Can you turn it on?
Turn on my camera. It wouldn't let me do this with the prosecutor
Okay.
either. I click on turn on my camera and it won't allow.
Alright, that's okay. What's your name?
Skylar Witt.
Okay, so it looks like we have 4 cases, so we'll take these one at a time, okay? The first is expired registration for March the 5th. For each of these, I just need you to enter a plea. If you believe you're not guilty, you can enter a not guilty plea and set the cases for trial. If you believe you're guilty, you can enter a guilty or a no contest plea, and then we could discuss the fine and payment that you talked to the prosecutor about. So regarding that expired registration, what is your plea?
No contest.
Okay, so it looks like that fine and cost is $174 due by May the 27th. You can pay that online or in person at the court window, whichever's easiest for you, okay? Do you have any questions about that one?
No.
Okay, so the next one is a failure to maintain financial responsibility for March the 26th. What is your plea?
No contest.
And the fine and cost is $321, also due on or before May the 27th. Do you have any questions about that one?
Just for that one, am I allowed to do a payment plan?
If you can pay within 30 days, there's no additional cost. If you need to set up a payment plan, then there's a one-time $15 fee. So did you want to pay within 30 days or set up a payment plan?
Oh, so within 30 days of the 27th, I can pay it?
You can pay it on or before June 23rd with no additional cost.
Oh, okay. Okay. That'll be alright then.
Okay, so we'll put June 23rd for that one. Okay, and then you had an expired driver's license. It looks like that's going to be dismissed today with a $20 compliance fee. Is that your
Yes, ma'am.
understanding? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm able to pay that today. the
Okay.
$20.
Okay, great. So we'll know that you're gonna pay that today. You can pay online or in person at the court window, whichever's easiest for you. And then your last case is you've been on deferred disposition for a failure to maintain financial responsibility, which was a no insurance ticket. So as part of that, if you comply with all the terms of that deferred disposition order regarding the failure to maintain financial responsibility for March the 5th, if you comply with all the terms of the order, then we would be able to dismiss this case. But part of the terms of the order were that you not receive any additional convictions, which obviously you just did. But then it also that you keep your insurance valid.
Correct.
Okay, so why was your insurance, why did you get another no insurance ticket?
So whenever I got the first one, it was about a month after I had bought the car,
Uh-huh.
and USA has an umbrella policy for 30 days to add the vehicle. So if I were to have gotten into an accident within 30 days of buying that vehicle, I would have been covered. I just didn't have proof of insurance,
Mm-hmm.
and officer didn't care about the policy, which I understood.
Mm-hmm.
So in my mind, I had coverage in case there was an accident, and then also I was having difficulties getting the vehicle inspected and registered. One from the DMV, and then two because it wouldn't pass inspection, and so I had it listed for sale, so I wasn't really in a hurry to do anything with it. And then whenever I got the second ticket for no insurance, I was actually in my neighborhood, and I was just driving over to my brother's house just to pick up some bar mats, and I was just coming straight back home, and it was just bad timing. As soon as I pulled out, the
So
officer was right behind me.
What date did you purchase the vehicle?
I don't know. It was around my birthday, so like beginning of April.
Okay, this violation is for March 5th.
Oh, okay. So it was
So-
March then.
Okay, but you're telling me that your umbrella policy was in effect for 30 days, so I need to know what date you purchased the vehicle.
Okay. Just one moment.
Okay.
Okay, so I have my bill of sale here. It actually, for some reason, I wrote February 27th. But I guess it was February 27th.
Okay, so you bought the vehicle on February 27th. Do you still have the vehicle?
Yes, but I don't drive it.
Do you have insurance on the vehicle now?
Yes.
Okay, when did that insurance start?
I'm sorry. I just need one moment. I
Okay.
have the card in my car.
That's fine.
I'll be quick.
No problem.
Sorry, I should have had all this stuff ready. It says effective date 5/23/22.
Okay, so did you have insurance between April 28th and that?
No.
Okay, so not having insurance for that time period violates the terms of the deferred disposition order, okay? Because you were required to have insurance starting the day you agreed to that order, which was April the 28th. So it sounds like you just got your insurance 2 days ago, is that right?
No, I've had this insurance card for a while.
I'm
not
sorry,
sure.
what did you say the effective date was?
It says the 23rd.
5/23/22?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's yesterday.
Right. I don't know. I mean, I've had this printed out and in my car for several weeks. Just one moment.
Let me see if there's an insurance card in here, because it looks like you might have.
Oh no, I don't see one.
There was
Okay.
he did upload an insurance card.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So you said on my deferred policy that it says that I signed up for deferred on April 28th.
Yes.
Okay, but I mean I received
Judge,
all those tickets before April. I mean.
Okay, can you hold on for just a minute, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so he got the ticket.
Tickets in
He got the
March.
ticket March 5th.
Yes.
He didn't come in by the appearance date. We mailed him a late notice.
Right.
On April 15th,
Okay.
he went online and
Uh-huh.
requested deferred.
Uh-huh.
When he went online and requested deferred, he did upload an insurance
Yeah.
policy that went from April 16th to May 23rd.
Okay.
So there was an insurance, a USAA insurance policy uploaded when he requested
Got
deferred.
it. Okay, Mr.
I don't know
Witt.
why he doesn't just say
Mr.
that.
Witt.
Yes.
Okay. So you did have insurance because I have the card that you uploaded when you signed up for the deferred. So I'm gonna continue this deferred, but you need to make sure not to get any more tickets, okay, during the deferral period, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then take care of those other ones, okay, that we talked about already.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, just one thing. So today I'm paying $20. On the 27th, I have to pay the $174, and then I have 30 days to pay the insurance.
Right, and we'll send you a copy of each of those, but yes, that's correct.
Okay, will I receive an email like about today and
You
like, just
will.
a summary?
Yes, and it'll also should have a link where you could go online to pay.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Have a good one.
You as well.
Bye. That was kind of a lot. Okay, well, I'm glad you found that insurance card since he didn't know that he had insurance. That way he didn't violate his
I don't know why he didn't just say it.
I don't think he knew.
He probably didn't fill out his deferred. I bet you one of his parents did.
What is happening? People won't come into the courtroom.
I'm gonna refresh.
Oh, you know what? Are they still in his? No, they're
No.
not still in his room.
I'm refreshing because Skylar Witt was still showing in the courtroom for me.
Oh, he is still showing. Shit. Okay, I got him out. Okay, now it's working. Mr. Ramirez, this is Judge Salas. If you can hear me, can you turn on your audio and video? Are you sending a message?
Mhm.
Okay. He met with Paul, so. Hi, this is Judge Salas. What's your name? Sir, can you hear me?
Here I am.
Can you hear me?
Oscar Ramirez.
Okay, Mr. Ramirez, we're gonna set this for a bench trial. We'll send you notice of the date and time,
Yes,
okay? Okay. Okay, do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay,
You can hear me?
it's very delayed. Mr. Ramirez, we're going to set this case for bench trial. We'll send
So
you,
I'm gonna be in court on another day. You can send me a date. Are you gonna send me a date for the court? You said?
yes. It's not the body, it's the.
Sorry, can't hear you. Oh, okay then.
Okay, we'll send you date for the court and time. We'll send you the date and time for the trial, Mr. Ramirez, okay? Our connection is not very good today.
Yes, I'm sorry. So
that's all for today. You can go ahead and sign off.
okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you.
It was just super delayed.
Oh.
So he was hearing what I said like 30 seconds later, which made it confusing. Let's see how this one goes. Hi, this is Judge Salas. What's your name?
Can you hear me okay, ma'am? I'm at work. I work in a hospital, so I can come outside. Can you hear me okay?
I can. this is Judge Salas. Can you hear me?
Hi, Miss Orla. Let me go, how about I run to my car real quick?
Okay,
I'm right here by the door. So
Okay.
I don't have an issue with hearing you.
okay.
Or, how about this? I was going to the bathroom. Cause it's pouring over here. Can you hear me okay?
I sure can. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay. So it looks like, Ms. Green, you have a violation for driving while your license was invalid. And
I
you've,
know I had no idea.
you've talked to the prosecutor about a deferred disposition order. I just need to have you enter a plea. If you believe you're not guilty, you can enter a not guilty plea and set the case for trial. If you believe you're guilty, you can enter a guilty or a no contest plea, and then we can go over the deferred disposition order that you talked to the prosecutor about. So regarding that driving while license invalid, what is your plea?
I have to plead guilty because
Okay.
I didn't have any idea, but come to find out, it actually was.
Okay. Is it valid
And I
now?
had no idea.
Okay. Is it valid now?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when the officer pulled me over,
Mhm.
I had sent a money order to the state of Alabama to pay off my citation
Okay.
about 5 days before he gave me the ticket, and I actually showed him the money order and also the certified
Okay.
you know, they give you at the post office to make sure that they received it.
Right, right. Okay.
So I did pay that, and I also, once I got a letter back from them letting me know that they did receive my payment, I went on the Georgia DMV website so I can pay the reinstatement fee.
Okay, great. So what we'll do then is enter into a deferred disposition order. If you complete the terms of the order, the violation will be dismissed, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
you'll be on deferred disposition starting today and ending November 20th. Just two requirements. The first is that you pay the $410 fine and cost on or before June 23rd. And the second is just that you don't receive any convictions during the deferral period. Do you have any questions about either one of those things?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Okay, great. When you get ready to make that payment, you can make it online or in person at the court window, whichever's easiest for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. You too. Bye-bye.